Hi there, Tim here for Batch 2, delving into the realm of simplification with 5 intriguing questions. Brace yourself for a mix of variables and let's make sense of it all. Before we jump in, a quick reminder of some key theories. Identify like terms, follow the BODMAS order of operations, understand exponent laws, and don't forget about integers. Pro tip: pay attention to the number of terms in each question, check the mark allocations, opt for vivid and creative expressions of variables. Be cautious about lurking mistakes. My dictation style, like a Z, looking like a 2, can help avoid confusion, so use cursive for clarity. Here's a taste of the creative expressions. Imagine you have 3 apples, 5 lettuce, minus 2 apples, plus 4 lettuce. Now you can simplify and keep on writing lettuce and apple, but for shorthand notation, you could state the A stands for apple, the L stands for lettuce, resulting that you can actually just write 3A plus 5L minus 2A plus 4L. This makes the writing just so much easier. Number 1. Z to the power of 4, Q to the power of 5, Q to the power of 2, Z to the power of 4, all divided by Q to the power of 6. Quickly rewrite. You're allowed to put an equation mark here because you're changing this into the simplified version. So next, adding like terms at the top, numerator level is the z's, and you could say the q's as well. So do that in the same step. So it's z to the power of 4 and z to the power of 4. Like bases, exponent laws, we may add them up. So 4 plus 4. For the q, I'm going to make the base. Exponent laws, 5 plus 2, 7. Still keeping what was left at the bottom, q to the power of 6. Finally, sorting out the like terms at bottom level or the top level, numerator, denominator level, q to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of 6 would mean the exponents minus. Number 2, open brackets, minus 8, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 3, close the bracket, new bracket, 5, x to the power of 3, y to the power of 5, close the bracket, new bracket, minus 2x, close the bracket. That's focusing on the symbols or the operations first, so it's minus times a plus times a minus, minus. Minus times a minus is a positive, and a positive times a positive will end up with positive. Next we move on to the coefficients. That's 8 times 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 8, 80. X to the power of 4, x to the power of 3, and x to the power of 1. And we'll deal with the y's next, but let's just focus on the x's. 4 plus 3 plus 1. Next, we can move on to the y's. Y to the power of 3, y to the power of 5. Nothing here. Number 3, minus 5, open the bracket, 2a squared plus a minus 20. Close the bracket. Outside the bracket we have plus 12a squared plus 3a. Distributing, we have minus 5 goes into the brackets for all 3 of these terms. And we can go and write minus 5 times 2a squared, minus 5 times a, and then minus 5 times minus 20. Finally, keep on trading with these. Now if you'd like, we'd group our like terms, moving this 12a squared next to this one, then keep on writing what's left, so it's minus 5a. The like term part would be plus 3a, and the only thing that's left is the plus 100. Minus 10a squared plus 12a would result in 2a squared. Minus 5a plus 3a would result in minus 2a, and there's nothing with the constants, so what remains the same. Number 4, 11p plus 9i minus 4p minus 6i. So, we sort out like terms, you can go and write 11p, where's the other p? Here, minus 4p, keep on writing. We have plus, I write my i's like that, so it doesn't have a 1. You could even put little brackets here. Do you think about it then, like that's how you're going to sort them out. First the p's and then the i's. 9 minus 6, because there's no further like terms. We're back for the last question of batch 2, number 5. Number 5 is open bracket minus 2, b, c to the power of 2, or you could say c squared, close the bracket, cubed. This 3 is a hanging exponent. Step 1, all of it is exponents, so exponent laws are heavily implied. This 3, being that it's a hanging exponent in brackets, means we would distribute it in, so it would go to each of these. Each, I mean the minus could have its own, but I'm going to consider the minus and the 2 to be one thing, and then b and then c to be its own thing. So minus 2 cubed is minus 8, and b cubed, could have argued there's a 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and then c to the power of 2 times by 3